Short instruction. Repair of cuts and rips. Clean the area to be repaired with the Keralux Strong Cleaner or Keralux Cleaner Active Plus from grain to grain to remove dirt and to maintain the original gloss level and colour. Pre-test on a hidden area. Prepare a negative of the grain as follows. Apply some profile agent with the application pistol to an undamaged part of the leather, showing a similar grain as the area of the scratch. Smoothen with a spatula and let it dry. Take off the negative carefully. To remove any remaining profile agent of the leather, use the Keralux Strong Cleaner or Keralux Cleaner Active Plus. Clean the damaged area with a soft remover or strong remover from grain to grain until the colour is visible on the cloth and becomes sticky. Let it dry thoroughly. Apply the leather glue to a clean mixing bowl. Take the spatula and put the leather glue into the whole cross-section of the cut. Close the cut with the finger and rub off the residues by rubbing slightly. Wait for a minute and test if the cut is glued properly. If not, repeat procedure. If so, remove remaining glue with a soft remover and a cloth and let it dry. Apply the filler for scratches thinly to the closed cut to equalize the section. Spray the repair colour thinly once and dry it with a heat gun. Grind optionally with a fine grit sandpaper, 600, 1000 or 1200 grit. Remove the abrasive dust and if necessary work with the filler for scratches again. Spray the repair colour up to an 80% colour coat. Spray thinly, dry with a heat gun, spray, etc. Use the negative to imitate the grain. Put the negative on a cloth, heat it up with a heat gun at a high temperature and press it approximately 15 to 20 seconds on the repaired area. Let it cool down and remove it carefully. Spray the repair colour thinly up to a complete colour coverage. Dry it with a heat gun, spray thinly, etc. Spray the repair colour once from grain to grain. Dry it with the heat gun. Spray the top finish spray thinly and evenly on the reparation and dry it directly with the heat gun. Repeat process, as the top finish has to be applied 2 times for better abrasion.